Done, man. I want some fishbowl. Taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, my jeans are feeling empty. Taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, commuting in my city. I drink Red Horse, I eat rice, less than 100 pesos when I ride trikes. I rap, it's cool, I'm on YouTube, I got a hit song with more than 500,000 views. I ride a taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, my friends are riding with me, so I guess it's on a jeepney. And it's 7 pesos only, so I buy at bot. And when I reach my destination, I say para bot. All the trike drivers keep asking me to ride their trikes, but if I do, they overcharge me cause I look white. So usually I ride a jeep with 20 people inside, but I don't care as long as I'm paying the guy the right price. And this person sitting next to me is passing some money. I wish the jeep would start moving now cause I'm in a hurry. In 10 minutes I'm supposed to be drinking with the guys. I'll be there in 30 minutes, it's Filipino time. When I get there I'm hungry, so I buy me some food, some balut or fish bowl and some more for my crew. But it ain't filling all my chicken that's freshly fried on the roadside with gravy, it's so nice. Taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, my jeans are feeling empty. Taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, taxi, trike or jeepney, commuting in my city.